to try on this music app, it's good that you install Walk Band from Google Play. This is what I already installed, Walk Band. Okay, so I just click open it. Then I don't want to do online, I just do it offline. So imagine ready download, and then you're on your data. There's different option that you can, different kind of instrument or mode that you can choose, but I would choose this one because this one, yes, this is the one that very useful for me. So you can see there are different type of chords, and the instrument I choose was either I used low string or I use string ensemble. String ensemble would be a bit high. Just hold on to it and you continue to play. I just choose one Hokkien song. You want the lower version, you can choose the low string, so it's another type. Low mode, so you choose the low string. Sorry, yeah. Okay, if you want to change the key, the chords, you can come here, and if you are change this one, you can just change accordingly. Let's say I want to come here and change. I want to change to C minor. Alright, so I change to C minor, and then choose none. So this one becomes C minor. I want to change A, I also can change A, to A. Just click here. Alright, so up to you to change or whatever. Only this 8 chords that I can choose, so I change it back. Alright, quite useful. And this one is non-stop. You want to go back, you just press this one. This one is non-stop. Okay, you won't stop, you just press continue to hold it until you off this one. So this is a chords mode. This is the single row mode. So but I don't use this one. So in the purpose of using this is using the chords. It's very beautiful. You can use it. Just hold it. 有一件礼物，你收到没有？眼睛看不到，你心会知道。这一件礼物，心门外等候，是为了你准备，别人不能收。生命，命。哎，忘记，sorry for that. Alright, there's something like that. Then some other thing, I just don't care about the rest. As long as it suits my purpose, I'm happy. This one is nothing. Let's do the tick click. This one I have to record, but I don't use the recording. That's about it. Thank you for watching.